All right, it's time for another mail call. So let's go ahead and get started. We got one here out of West Virginia. It is Mandy the Machine. Let's see what we got here. She says, hey SinisterClutch, just wanted to send you a sticker and say enjoy watching your videos and love your channel. Keep it up, ride safe, and remember you only live once. You got that right. And she has a really cool sticker. Love that sticker. Check that out. And she sent me a poker chip from Nutter Fort, West Virginia. RG's Almost Heaven, Harley Davidson. That is really cool. Huh. Thank you, Mandy. Appreciate it. Next up, it looks like, I think this is Motorcycling with Carl out of Connecticut. Let's see here. Yep, sure is. He says, what's up, SinisterClutch? I just watched mail call number 7 and realized that I have not sent you a sticker yet. So here it is. Keep up the great content. Laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe. Motorcycling with Carl. Carl, appreciate it. I've been kind of terrible at sending out mail here recently. So I know what you mean. But check out his sticker. That is super cool. Really like that sticker. Thanks, sir. Appreciate it. And up next is junkyarddasky out of Illinois. And let's see, we got a letter here. Super cool. He's got a letterhead and everything. It says, Sinister, thank you. I'm sending you this small token of appreciation for everything you have done and continue to do for the motor blogging community, for myself and others. If you are a creator, motovlogger, or otherwise, you have inspired and ignited my creativity. If you are a subscriber, you've proven to me that this is worth sharing and documenting my life. In all cases, you're a friend. You have helped spread the word about this passion, love for two-wheel and wind therapy. Two-wheel wind therapy. Whether you realize it or not, you have made an impact in the world and in mine. My Beast Boys are absolutely thrilled too. Should our paths cross, the first beverage is on me. Peace and chicken grease. I've never heard that. That's awesome, man. junkyarddasky. That's Wally. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. And he's got a really cool sticker. There's one with a matte finish, and this is like a holographic finish. I think I got that right. Yeah, really cool. Thank you. That's awesome. Peace and chicken grease, man. I got to remember that. All right, moving on. So, this one comes out of Australia. Been getting a lot of air mail here lately. And this comes from Roland. And, oh, this is cool. Check that out. Oh, wow. This is really cool. Check out his letter. That is so super cool. Roland Keith. Hi, Randy. I hope you're doing well. I thought I would send you over some of my stickers now that I have had some made up. I enjoy your videos and your channel as you take us along on some very good rides with you, and we all get to see some awesome views off the camera as well. If you did not know, I'm in Adelaide, South Australia, and it is awesome that us bikers around the world can connect like this and leave a memento. Stay safe, Randy, and with spring just around about here, I am looking forward to more videos in the year. Yeah, I'm hoping for better weather because I keep on getting rain. I think all next week is rain. I don't know how it is where you're at, but that is his sticker. Really cool. With his bike there. And he sent me a little flag. Check that out. That is cool. Roland, thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Enjoy your videos. That is Roland Keith. Last but not least, we got, he's just south of me in the state of Tennessee. That is Ty from Tennessee. There we go, letter. Oh, I got some cool stuff here. With a new bike comes new stickers. I very much appreciate your time and support for the channel. Have a great day, Ty from Tennessee. Says you got a great channel. Keep up the hard work, Ty. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. And got some stickers here and a poker chip. Check out those stickers. Got a holographic one. I need to get some of those. And then the matte finish. And a really cool poker chip. That's him on his, this is actually his previous street glide. I'm sure you're aware he was in a motorcycle wreck, but he has a new one. I'm sure he'll be putting that on there. Thankfully he is okay and safe, as well as his wife. And that is super cool. Thank you, sir. I actually just ordered some poker chips myself. See how they turn out. These come from Chip Lab, in case you didn't know. But that's pretty much it. Go check all these channels. I'll put a link in the description to every single one of them. If you haven't seen their channel or never heard of their channel, go check them out. If you like it, if you like their content, just give them a like, a sub. And I really appreciate all the support. You guys know that we have an awesome community. And last but not least, VAM 21's coming up. That is 11th, 12th, and the 13th. I will actually be there on the 10th, which is a Thursday. So if you happen to come a day earlier, I will be there. And I hope to see a lot of you, meet a lot of you, and I'll probably hand out some stickers then. Maybe I'll get my poker chips by then, but I'm not sure. And also, unless you're living under a rock, World Record Poker Run, go check it out. I've said this before, someday is today. So if you get an opportunity to go, just do it. It's once in a lifetime. It's an epic ride. I'll be there. I know other people that are going, and I look forward to meeting everyone. I mean, 12 states. I mean, gosh, that's 3,200 miles just in that part of doing the poker run. I'll end up doing over 5,000 myself, but I want to try to keep this short. Thanks everybody again. Please like, share, subscribe, and always rip the ride. See ya.